Everyone online is talking about AI updates like they change everything overnight. New models, new tools, new features. And if you're a beginner, it feels like you're already behind. But here's the truth most people won't say. Most AI updates do not matter for beginners. This week alone, we saw new AI tools, faster models, and more game-changing announcements. But if you don't already have a system, none of that helps you. Because updates don't create results. Systems do. Let me break this down simply. For beginners, there are only 3 AI updates that actually matter. First is speed. Faster. AI doesn't make you more money by itself. It just lets you finish work faster. If you're not already doing something useful with AI, speed changes nothing. Second is accessibility. More tools are becoming easier to use. That's good. But most beginners make the mistake of trying all of them instead of mastering one. More options feel productive. They're not. And third is reliability. AI is getting better at following instructions. That's the update beginners should care about. Because AI only works when you tell it exactly what to do. Not vague prompts. Not "make me money online." Clear, repeatable tasks. Here's what you should actually do after hearing about AI updates. Ignore 90% of the news. Pick one task AI already does well. And build a simple system around it. Writing. Summarizing. Basic websites. Simple scripts. Content repurposing. AI didn't suddenly become useful this week. It's been useful. Most people just never slowed down enough to use it correctly. If you're overwhelmed by AI news, that's normal. It's designed to make you feel behind. But beginners don't win by chasing updates. They win by building systems. If you want, the next video shows exactly which AI tasks are worth learning first and which ones to ignore completely. Let me know in the comments what you're most interested in learning and I can try help you. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.